Okay, so we're back. Joey's getting his PPE together. I'm going to come on over here and kind of show you what we got going on. What we did here is kind of show everybody that we got two pieces of steel here. Although the steel looks very strong, it's got good weight to it, doesn't necessarily mean it's good steel. So we've got the other railroad spike now. We're going to go ahead and grind on that, show you the sparks from that. And we're going to grind on this other piece and show you the sparks from that, and then that way you can kind of see the difference between good hardenable steel and, you know, possibly cast iron is what I'm thinking it is. First, like I said before in the last video, we was grinding on it, and it just kind of broke right off, and you can kind of see right here where it broke off. Kind of see the potholing, little pitting going on in there, which is pretty good indication it is cast iron. Seems to me to be for the period. All right, Joey, come on, fire that thing up. Let's go ahead and clean ourselves our spikes off here. All right, as you can see, quite a bit of sparks coming off of there. That tells us that's some pretty good steel, and he ain't really got all the rust off yet, so with a little bit of steel he's hitting, he's blowing off some pretty good sparks to it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over and look at this other piece of steel, grind on it, and I'll show you the sparks on that, and you'll get a pretty good idea that it's not a very good metal. You was able to see those sparks. So Joey, go ahead and start grinding on that other piece there, and we'll show you the sparks of that. You can see minimal sparks. You know, that kind of steel there, if it was good hardenable steel, I assume it'd be blowing off some pretty good sparks. And it may be good steel, just maybe it's dirty. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this gadget we built with the C-clamp and two pieces of metal together, take it apart, and by taking that apart, we're going to kind of reduce our risks of metal moving and possibly slipping with the grinder and, you know, injuring ourselves. Basically what we're doing is we're creating a safer environment here. So I'm going to go ahead and reach in here and grab that steel off. Joey's going to go ahead and clamp the railroad tie back together there, and we'll get it going again here in about a couple more minutes, man.